normally AC. So let's find the product of this particular root, 3 all over 4 times negative 4. Then we get it as negative 3. Sum will be 3 all over 4 plus negative 4. We will get negative 13 divided by 4. So equation is normally written in form of ax squared plus bx plus c gives us 0. So it will be x squared plus, what is our b? B is normally sum, negative 13 divided by 4 plus, that will be bx, then plus c. Our c is normally product, minus 3 equal to 0. So we can decide to multiply everything by 4 because our LCM is 4, so that we get 4x squared minus 13x plus 12x gives us 0. So that is the answer.